Your name is
tutor.
Mohammed.
Yeah, I'm Muhammad. Muhammad.
Okay, Mohammed.
Muhammad. Yes.
Okay, okay, Mohammed. Mohammed. Okay, okay, teacher.
Oh, yeah. Call me what you feel, for example, easier for you. Yes.
Okay,
Muhammad.
okay,
Muhammad.
teacher.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the same, Mohammed or Mohammed.
Muhammad. Yeah. So let's get to know each other. Talk about yourself, your career. Yes, go on.
Okay, teacher. I am software engineer. I'm from Colombia. Um, I really want to improve my level English because I want to get a better position in another company that allows me to improve my salary, my wage,
Mm-hmm.
get a better wage, and because I like I like to speak English better. I'm learning by myself, but in this moment, I feel that I need a teacher, a tutor, um, and practice my conversation, my
Mm-hmm.
speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So the reason is that for that reason I need to have uh, 3 or 4 classes a week.
Mm-hmm.
So I was searching in internet. I find this
Mm-hmm.
page, and your the what's it? Mm, the comments in your profile is very good. So I think that with you this is my teacher, and I'm going to. So
Okay,
I am
okay.
here, teacher, because I want to learn to speak in English well.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, I see, I see. So you said that you're a civil engineer, yeah?
Software engineer.
Oh,
And
software engineer. Oh, so
yeah,
what's your programming
yes.
language?
C sharp. I am a developer in .NET and in databases and front end in Angular too.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So, and in Colombia, the wage for an software engineer is around to, I don't know, to $1,000, $1,500 a month.
Mm-hmm.
And if you speak in English, is the twice, the double of that. So
Uh-huh.
so
So,
I need to speak English, teacher.
uh-huh. So you need to get a chance to, for example, apply or become employed in an international company. Yes?
Yeah, yeah,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I
exactly.
see. I see.
Yeah, yeah. There are so many companies that search Colombian engineers because in the country the the software engineers are good. It's
Mm-hmm.
a good level of programming. The developers people
Mm-hmm.
uh, and is for a company in the United States pay $3,000 is not much, but in
Mm-hmm.
Colombia that's a good money.
Uh-huh. I
Yeah.
see. I see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, so mostly you want business English, yes? And you want to go for an
Yeah,
interview, yes?
yeah, correct,
Hmm.
teacher. I want to practice an interview. I don't know if